Hello dosto, welcome back to my channel Trick E-commerce. In today's video I am going to talk about the best screen recorders and I will compare them for you. So let's start the video. So first of all, let me show you. Here are two best screen recorders. Either you are a YouTuber or either you are a tutorial maker, you have go through a lot of software usage. So every time you are looking for a best software to screen recording for your mobile or PC, OBS Studio and AnyMP4, these two are the best software that you can find. OBS Studio is actually, its main function is streaming, live streaming. The live streamers use OBS Studio, but it has dual function, like it can also be used for screen recording. On the other hand, AnyMP4 is a professional screen recorder and it's very handy, very easy to use. OBS Studio is open-ended software. It means it's free to use. Anyone can use it, but it's using it is a little bit technical and difficult. So you must have basic technical skills to use it properly and in a good way. But if you want to use very handy and easy to operate software, then I think AnyMP4 is for you. So first of all, right, I am going to tell you that the video I am recording right now is I'm using OBS Studio. In OBS Studio there are many options, like you can start streaming, you can record your video, and you can add multiple screens and capture them at the same time. You can capture multiple mics. So here are like, there are different options that you want to capture at the same time. For example, you want to capture browser and desktop at the same time, you just choose it. And here right now I am just capturing my audio and display. So I choose two options and I am doing it right now. So it's very handy, very easy to use. For stream recording, you just go to settings, and here are different options for streaming. Like go to stream, and here you can choose which type of service you want to use. YouTube streaming, live, Facebook live, Twitter, anything you want, you just add stream key, and here you go, blah, boom, and just start streaming, and you can stream directly on your respective streaming site. On the other hand, let me show you about any MP4. AnyMP4. AnyMP4 is actually very easy to use software. Its interface is very simple. If you want to record full screen, you can choose it. If you want to screen record customly, you can customly mark your screen. You can add your webcam at the same time. You can add system sound. Or you want to record it or not, you can choose it. Also is a microphone option. There are many different modes you can choose, like video recording, audio recording only, and also game mode. Additionally, it has a phone recording options. If you want to record your phone screen or your laptop, you can just connect your phone, just go to here and choose your phone. Like you can use, either you are using iPhone or if you are using Android, you can choose that. And here it will ask you to download app like Phone Lab Mirror. You just need to install this app on your mobile phone and it will just start working. You can use your same Wi-Fi connections. If you want to record your mobile screen on your laptop, you must have a same Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have, then you can use USB, and it has provided you all the instructions on to connect this phone. So overall, if we compare both softwares, so I will say, if you are a tutorial maker like me, then use screen recording most of the time and for most of your videos, then obviously AnyMP4 screen recording is best software. But for you, if you want to buy, if you want to use this software, you have to buy it and you have to pay $150 a year. So for you and for my subscribers, I have buy this software for you. If you want to use it for free, I have a key for you. You just subscribe my channel, leave a comment, and I will provide you a key so that you can use it with me together. Okay. And if you are a live streamer, then obviously OBS Studio is the best one. However, you can also use it if you are a technical person. You can also use it for screen recording like me. So that's all for today. This is a comparison for two best software, and using this software you can screen record in a very easily and very handy way. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will support me to help you guys more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.